Hey guys, Ramchal here. So yeah, as you probably figured out by now, I'm not happy with the way this Windows has turned out. The way it keeps crashing, I couldn't get to the bottom of it. But I decided that I want to reformat again. Yeah, that means there'll be no stream for the rest of the week either. I'll post the notification to the announcement to Facebook later, but for now, yeah, we'll be reinstalling Windows, and this time I'll be documenting it. It'll also be featuring a special version of Windows I created. Basically, well, it's not so special in that I slipstreamed it, the latest update, because everything was fine before the 18.10 update was applied. So right, I figured something probably got screwed up. The 18.10 update probably broke something, so I slipstreamed 18.10 into the thumb drive. We'll be reinstalling from scratch, and this time I'll be reformatting all 6 hard drives, zeroing it. We'll recreate the array from scratch, and then we'll see what happens. Right, let's get started. Right, so you can see we are booted into Windows setup now from the thumb drive. So far so good. So I'm going to select repair your computer this time, and I'm going to troubleshoot command prompt. Now we have a command prompt. Hold on, let me bring it to view. Right, now we have a command prompt. I'm going to use disk part. Okay, and I'm going to destroy each and every one of the disks. This disk. So select disk 0, clean. Oh man, my keyboard's gone mad. Hold on. Clean. Select disk 2, clean. Disk 7, clean. So yeah, now they're all empty. Quit. Wait, exit, turn off your PC. So right, I'm going to reboot, and I'm going to re-enable the BIOS. I'm going to re-enable RAID, sorry. Yeah, actually what happened before this, I turned off RAID. I had to turn off RAID because so I can get at the disk directly. But once that's done, now we can enable, now we have wiped every single one of the disks, we can now just enable RAID. Now to wait for the machine to boot. Right, it takes a while. Go tough gaming. Okay. I wonder if I bought the wrong motherboard, but yeah, hold on. No, it seems to be booting okay, I guess. Where is it stuck? No, it's not. It's still sticking. It won't show what is wrong. It won't show where it's freezing. It won't show what is wrong. It just freezes. This computer does this. I don't know why. What I understand, like I said, it's a motherboard problem, according to what I can find online. It's a problem constraint. It's a problem related that is, you know, localized to the unique to the streaks. I don't know why it's doing this, but yeah. Anyway, now that the disk is cleaned, there's no boot image, so now we can get into the BIOS. Okay. So at the BIOS, I will change the SATA back to RAID. Okay, and then I'll save and reset. This will give me back my RAID, give me back my AMD RAID configurations. Slow. At least now it's behaving itself, but yeah, every time cold boots, there's a 90% chance of the hard drive freezing up. It appears to be a problem with the. It appears to be a problem unique to the TUF. I don't know why it has this problem. Okay, RAID Expert 2, not Realtek, sorry, RAID Expert 2. I guess no. Wait. RAID Expert 2. All right. Control array, physical disk management. Select physical disk. This 0. initialize, no legacy disk to initialize. Alright, looks like initialization is not necessary, so go back to array management, manage array, physical disk management, no, hold on. Here's the 2, physical disk management, Google hotspot, no hot. Initialize this, right, control management. Okay, great. That wouldn't let me destroy the arrays. That's great. Arrays. There's 6 separate arrays now. So array management, delete arrays, on. So delete arrays. Confirm. Yes. 6 separate disks. So we'll just delete those, and then we can create the new array. Array management. Create array. Volume. Rate 0. Select physical disk. 3, 4, 5, 6. Apply changes. 299 megabytes. 64K. Read cache. Write back cache. Read cache. Create array. So yeah, that will create us the manage array properties. That'll create us the 2.9 terabyte. So yeah, it's all online. So okay. Save changes and reset. So now we will put the USB stick and install Windows. Okay. Let's see if it works. If the magic juice works. Let's see. Alright, put to USB Toshiba. It's loading. Alright guys, okay, now we're loaded. Next, install now. Setup is starting. So yeah, I have to enter a product key first. Hold on. Okay. Microsoft licensing term, custom. Alright, I'll install it to my 200. There's 2 SSDs, as you can see. I'm not gonna install the RAID driver yet. I don't need it. So right, allocate the space to 838.5. Okay, I'll install to this one. My primary SSD. There's 2 SSDs in here. A primary one that operates at X4 and a secondary one that operates at X2. Taking advantage of the fact that ASUS actually modified the XPG to have actually modified the TUF to have 2 PCIe SSD slots. But one operates at X4, the other operates at X2. I don't know how they're pulling it. I suspect they're pulling it from the PCH. But yeah, still faster than an RAID array though. So I'm using that for cache. Okay, we're installing. Alright, so it's getting ready to install the. It's installing the. I think it's formatting the hard drive first, and then it will probably copy the files. So yeah, restart. Okay. I think we won't need the stick anymore. After the beep, we can pull. Right. Okay, so now it'll install. Everything's already pre-installed, so now all you have to do is just install what it doesn't know. Just Switch to Malaysia first. Yeah. Skip. Skip. No. I don't want you to simply download my... don't want you to simply download updates. No. No, not yet. Okay, what the hell? Just say yes first. Online location. Basic. Tele experiences? No. Advertising ID? No. And typing yes. Find my device? Yes. Location? Yes. Accept. Alright. So, yeah, that's done with. Now we install the drivers. Of course, leads us to a catch-22. Okay. Of course, you need the drivers to install these, but yeah, you have to unzip to the C drive first. Yes, I guess that's a risk. That's a compromise I can take. So right, so preparing the SSD. That's strange. This SSD should be fast, especially since the X4 one. Okay, here we go. Almost there. Alright, display driver. No, don't. Right. X24. Okay, now we install the chipset driver first. It's a bit slow, yes. Yeah, pay no attention to the A tuning and all the other nonsense in here yet. Okay. I'll just put all the AMD in the C drive, what the heck. I'll move them to the D drive later once I'm done. Alright. Accept and install. No driver currently installed. There's no way to get to another computer, so there's no way to get to internet, so that's great. 1810, add custom, I want to make sure everything is there. Install. So now install the PSP and all the security drivers and stuff. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but okay, it's installed close. Don't restart first. Next one, install NVMe RAID. Just install from here this time. It's a bit slow though, because it's huge. Yeah, Radeon Crimson Edition installer. Yes, it's Radeon Crimson drive. Okay, it's supposed to be a chipset driver, right? It says NVMe RAID. Is this a chipset driver? I don't want to install any graphic cards yet. Alright. Red Expert looks like the graphics card driver, but yeah. It looks like the RAID driver, but yeah, I don't know. Why is it calling itself Crimson Relive? It's AMPP. Silent mode text. It's a bit slow. Alright, here we go. Accept and install, checking for chipset drivers. Shouldn't see anything. This time I'm doing things differently. Prior to this. And then before connecting an NVMe driver, make sure NVMe will configure read nominal. You should make a backup of the yes. NVMe drive, custom install. AMD compatible SATA driver, AMD reinstall. Okay. This will work. Just don't set up the NVMe as RAID, please, because the NVMe I don't want it to be RAID. Okay, let's see if it works. File Explorer, manage. Meantime, while it's running, device manager. Yeah, it looks like it's working. My drive is up. Multimedia video controller. I think I know what these are. So right, sound, high definition audio device. Yeah, cameras, HD webcam. Yeah, it's loading slow. I don't think I have the latest Steel Series software either. Yeah, it's a bit slow. Storage controllers, AMD RAID bottom, menu controller, store port, AMD SM bus, Hyper-V infrastructure driver, drive detecting other. Driver is okay, storage controller, RAID bottom, RAID spaces, dealing, real tag, still installing, it's very slow. Strange. AMD device, AMD GPIO, AMD PCI. Numerator, DMA controller, cruiser system. It's not showing up yet. Security device. HID. Not showing up yet. That's strange. No drive activity either. Alright, we finally have some activity. Alright, system devices, AMD PCI, RAID config, okay. Disk drives, not detecting the disk drive yet. I don't know why. Disk drive should be there already. It's not detecting it. It says SanDisk WDC. It's not detecting my other RAID device, right? Other hard drive either. Strange. It's not detecting my A data. Strange. Check disk management. Yeah, the A data and the RAID is missing. That's strange. That's pretty weird. Apache, private networks, but not pub. Okay, allow access. Alright, close. And lastly, video. That's strange. I wonder if the XPG have something to do with that. I wonder if the issues with the XPG, the ADATA XPG to NVMe drive, because they say, because for the X470 you're only supposed to ever have one SSD and for NVMe, but ASUS somehow modified the X470 to have two SSDs. It's taking a second taking a second PCIe lane from the south bridge. So yeah. So it's taking an X2 from the south bridge, but it's taking the X4 is coming straight from the CPU. Alright, so I think I'll just install these and then reboot the computer and see if it goes, the issue solves itself. Accept. 15.10 currently installed. Installing. Okay, 18.10.1 custom install. Display, HDMI, problem, radio settings. Yeah, do it. Yeah, makes me wonder if the XPG has anything to do with it. Because the XPG is suddenly no longer recognized. Both the XPG and the RAID hard drive. The entire PCH is gone. Anything connected to PCH is gone. So yeah. You can hear the sound going on and off. Restart required. Finish setting up this device. Already on relief, I guess, and restart. Okay. What happened? Okay, looks like I broke the system. Installing it this way, now the machine refuses to boot. That's very bad. Okay, 1 hour later and I'm done reinstalling Windows. Well, installing all the drivers. Windows and the drivers, yeah. So, most of the devices are now functioning properly. Device manager you can see from here. I've already installed the drivers. The devices are now all here. Strangely though, the annoying error is coming back, so yeah. Annoying error is back. I think it's I think now I'm convinced it's an AMD error because the error started coming back when I installed the AMD driver. So the AMD driver, definitely there's something screwy about it, something half-baked. So yeah, I'll be writing to AMD now and well, let's see what they say. Oh boy, I'm gonna reinstall again next month. This is insane. But yeah, anyway, I've completed installing Windows. Right, next I'll be installing the software. All the drivers have been installed mostly. Yeah, all drivers have been installed. So yeah, alright guys, that's all for now. Next week I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Yeah, in case you haven't figured out, there won't be any videos for the rest of the week, but yeah, I'm almost done with the drivers. Actually, I'm done with all the drivers. I'm just installing all the optional software for the Sound Blaster. So yeah. So okay guys, that's all for this week. Next week I'm going to show you guys a really neat trick. But yeah, there'll be no stream this week because I'm reinstalling my Windows and then I have to reinstall all my games. So alright guys, thanks for watching and always, Remchild signing out. Oh, by the way, the Windows updates, the slipstream, yeah, it worked. Look, it's not showing in Windows Update, it's showing right here in uninstall update. So yeah, it's working.